This video is proudly brought to you by Hovertech. Hovertech. Just a button away.
In this guide, we'll be treating how to fix the Wi-Fi NVRAM 0x10 error on your Technophone. Now, this error could come to be when you flash a custom ROM which is incompatible, or maybe you use SP flash through, or even sometimes under settings. If you do a factory reset under settings, you could get this issue. Now, the origin of this issue, the genesis of this issue is a corrupt or a missing Wi-Fi file. So the aim here is to fix that Wi-Fi file. Now, you would usually get something like this on your phone when you have an NVRAM issue. Okay, when you launch your Wi-Fi, you see something like this. If I wish to connect, for example, okay, Wi-Fi networks available, so I get all excited. Yeah, you can see NVRAM warning error 0x10. Now, this guide is basically going to teach you how to fix this issue. Now, first things first, we need to turn this off. Alright, now the first thing you need to do is to extract this Wi-Fi file, the file we are going to be fixing. We are going to copy it out, fix it, then put it back in. So to do this, we need ROM toolbox. So I'll launch it. I'm on my home. Okay, I launch ROM toolbox. Alright, so from the home directory here, I go to the data folder, data. I scroll down to NVRAM folder, NVRAM, then APCFG at the top, APRDEB folder at the bottom. Here I have my Wi-Fi file, the third one. So what I'm going to do here is to copy this file. Then I click the home icon at the top left corner of my phone. That returns me to the root directory, that is the home directory. And then I'll just go paste this file in my memory card. Paste. Okay, I have an existing copy of this, so I'll just overwrite. Now that I have this here, I have it on my memory card, I'll be editing it on my PC. But before I edit on my PC, I need to get my MAC address. That's the MAC address of the phone. So to do this, I'll go to about, that's under settings, about, status. Okay, and here I have my MAC address. So I'll just type this out, neatly write it out here. 00082201C0A. So I'll just confirm this 00082220. Sorry about that. 0008222001C0A. Okay, now that I have my MAC address, I can proceed to my PC. But first, I need to copy the Wi-Fi file, which I just copied to my memory card, to the PC, and I'll do just that. I've copied my Wi-Fi file to my PC. Here it is. So what I'm going to do now is to edit this file using Hex Editor. So I'll just launch Hex Editor here. I'll drag this over here. Okay, what I would want to do here is to open this. Then you select the Wi-Fi file. That is the Wi-Fi file, just copy to the PC and then open. Now the target here is this first row. This row, you are going to be editing this row. and replacing some values here with your MAC address, and your target is basically this column 4 to 9. From column 4 to 9, we replace these zeros with your replace these zeros to your MAC address. So my MAC address is here. I'll just replace this. So I have a 000822 000822 201C0A 201C0A. So I will want to confirm that 0008222001C0A. Alright, so I have that here, so I'll just drag this off screen. Now you would want to save this and close hex editor. Now you see I have two Wi-Fi files. This Wi-Fi.back is a backup of the original Wi-Fi file I copied to the PC before I began editing. Now hex editor automatically makes a backup of this file just in case I need the original file I imported, or maybe something went wrong and I want to revert the change. All I will do is just delete this edited Wi-Fi file, then rename this back to Wi-Fi by deleting the .back extension. You understand? So it's just basically like a precautionary measure on the side of hex editor. But I don't need to delete this edited Wi-Fi file, so I will just escape the process. Alright, so this is the file I'll be sending back to the phone. So the file is now on my phone. That is the Wi-Fi file. So what I'll be doing now is to replace that existing Wi-Fi file with this new modified or edited Wi-Fi file. So I'll just go back the same way I went in the very first place. Home directory. Now what you want to do here is to first go to the memory card and copy the modified Wi-Fi file. Now just go down. Okay, here it is. I'll copy this. Then I go back to the home directory, data folder. Here it is. NVRAM. Here we are. APCFG, remember? APRDEB. Then delete this existing Wi-Fi file, yes, to confirm, and then paste the copied Wi-Fi file. So what you want to do here is to set adequate permissions. Read, write, okay. Alright, so I'll just confirm that my NVRAM issue is fixed. Okay, here we are, no more NVRAM.